How to add notes on TikTok account. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you are using the latest version of TikTok app. To check that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in the app name TikTok and then search for it. After TikTok app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. You'll be directed to the home page. Now navigate to the profile page. Once you're in the profile page, here you're gonna find your profile picture and also you'll find the option of note feature. Click on that. Now here you can type in anything. After you type in that, you can click on your story. This will be visible to your followers for 24 hours. So this way you can easily add notes on TikTok account. This is the new update of TikTok. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.